Hi everybody. I know it's been a while since I make a YouTube video, so yeah, people who makes Rubik's cubes videos, they're like there's one algorithm to solve a scrambled Rubik's cube. No, there's more than one to do. There's more than one algorithm to solve a scrambled Rubik's cube in any different way. Well, I'm gonna tell you, that's a complete lie. I am telling the truth. Because I've been looking how to solve Rubik's Cube. So look, this is just a certain way. I'm being honest here. Certain scramble around here. Right? You got this Rubik's Cube. People have these weird way where you turn this and then you do, after that you do this. Or some sort. But I don't think it's like that, alright? So, moving on from that. Give me a moment, fellas. By the way, I like saying fellas, by the way. Fellas. What's so funny about saying fellas? Alright, so, let's solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. I'm in trouble. No, I'm definitely in trouble. So, how's your guys' day going? Mine's going great. You know, I mean, it's not all birds and such sunshine, but alright. Up, guys, I think I'm getting close to solve the Rubik's Cube. And there you go. I solved the Rubik's Cube. Now, listen here, people. There are other ways to solve Rubik's Cubes. Cubes are in a certain way scrambled than just like doing this. You could just, oh, I don't know, go to one of the center places like red, blue, green, yellow, white, blue, orange, and then figure out which way are you going to turn them and how many times are you going to turn it. Like, just like that. Like, oh, there it is. Yeah, something like this. Go to Rubik's app. No, RubikSolve.com. And you get to solve a certain algorithm for a certain scrambled cube. It's not like the same thing. I tried so many patterns on YouTube and all those patterns did not work until one last YouTube video says, why do that if you just can solve it right here? See what I mean? I solved this twice though. In a different scrambled way. Not the same scrambled way. A different scrambled way. This is the different scrambled than last time. Well, I've solved a Rubik's Cube. Jesus. Anyway, see you later.